Now we are going to discuss exercise 12.2 first problem onwards. The problem is actually given a fork in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. Suppose it's a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. It's a quadrilateral. Has angle C 90 degree. It's 90 degree. AB equal to 9 meter. So AB equal to 9 meter. BC 12 meter. CD 5 meter. AD 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So now we are going to discuss this thing by using Heron's formula. So for that we need triangle. So divide this quadrilateral into two triangles by introducing one of the diagonal. Suppose I can introduce AC, but you have a 90 degree at the angle C. So I can use that area of the triangle is using a rectangle triangle of into base into height. For that I can introduce one diagonal here. So then this is the first triangle. So solution. So introduce diagonal BD. Now we need to find by the diagonal BD. So this is our triangle 1, this is our triangle 2. So in triangle BCD, so it's a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. So we can consider right angle triangle means this is a right angle triangle BCD. For that BC 12 meter and CD 5 meter. Now it's a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse BD squared equal to BC squared plus CD squared. This is a right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem format. So for the BC squared 12 squared, then CD squared 5 squared. So 144 plus 25. So 169. So BD squared equal to 169. So BD equal to 30. So I can reduce this minus 30. So the area of the triangle. Why we want to find first BC? Because this side you know that means we can find our triangle area one by using Heron's formula s into square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. But a right angle triangle no, so no need. So here BD equal to 13 centimeter. First to find this. So now in a triangle, it is a right angle triangle, we can find that area easily. So for that, so area of quadrilateral equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. So for that, in a triangle, so first area of triangle BCD equal to half into base into height. Why? Because we know the base and the height. So 1 by 2 into 12 into 5. So 6. So 30 meters. So meter square. Now the area of a first triangle BCD, no, so 30 meters square. Now we can find the area of a triangle ABD. For that, this only we need to find by using Heron's formula. So here area of triangle ABD now we are going to find. So for that side let A equal to 9, B equal to 8 and C equal to 30 meter. Now we need to find the S. So S equal to semi perimeter 9 plus 8 plus 13 divided by 2. So 9 plus 8, 17. So 9 plus 8, 17 plus 13, 30 divided by 2, 15. So therefore area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. For that, root of 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 8 into 15 minus 13. 15 into 15 minus 9, 6, 7, 2. Now just here I can use the prime factorizations of 15. 3 into 5, 15. 2 into 3, 6. 7 already prime number, 2 already prime number. So from this 3 I can write 1, 3 outside. From this 2 I can write 1, 2 outside. So that is 3 2s are 6, root remaining 5, 7, 35. So now 6 root 35. Okay. So for that, first one is 30. Already we have our answer. First one is 30. Now second one 6 root 35. Now we need to split this. Anyway, we need to add. So how can we add this thing? So area equal to 30 plus 6 root 35. Here not possible to add. For that I am going to find your root 35 value, that is square root of root 35 value, just nothing but 35. Here 5 5s are 25 plus 6 6 are 6, 36, more than no, so 5. 10 is doubled, so 10. So 10 here 10 no, more than. So introduce 1 0, put on decimal. So for that I can introduce 2 0. Here suppose 1 0 5, here 5, not possible. 7 8. Suppose 1 0 8 8. Suppose 1 0 9. So 1 0 9. So here I can introduce just 9. So 5.9. Enough. After that you can do. So 30 plus 6 into 5.9. So 5.9, see, remaining 5, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. So 30 plus 35.5, 65.4 meters. This is the area of first quadrilateral. Second problem, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Introduce ABCD. For that, ABCD. What? Which AB equal to 3 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, DA 5 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter, here think about the sides, because here already given all the sides value, because I can introduce triangle 1 and triangle 2. So area of the quadrilateral equal to area of triangle ABC, triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. For that triangle ABC, suppose consider. Here think about this side 3 4 5. It's a perfect triplet of Pythagoras. So here 5 no, so I can write 5 squared equal to, this side is a bigger no, I can consider this 5 squared equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. That is 5 squared equal to that is 25 equal to 9 plus 16, so 25 equal to 25. Therefore triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So therefore area of triangle ABC equal to, you can consider it's a right angle triangle, right angle at B, because it's a hypotenuse, that is 90 degree possible. This is not a hypotenuse, this is also not a hypotenuse, B should be a hypotenuse. So now 1 by 2 base into height, base 4 centimeter you can consider, height 3 centimeter. Now 2 3s are 6, so 6 centimeters square. So for that this is 6 centimeters square, this area. So now we need to find this area by using our Heron's formula. That's all. Right. Now area of triangle ACD. So further let A equal to 5, B equal to 5, 5, 4, no, B equal to 5 centimeter and C equal to 4 centimeter. Now S equal to 5 plus 4 divided by 2, so 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Now area equal to square root of 7 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4. So square root of 7 into 2, 7 minus 2, 3. Now this one I can write 2 to 1 pair we can write outside, so 2 root 21. Now not possible to add, for that I need to find our root 22, root 21 value. Just can only 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, so I can write 4 4s are 16, remaining 5, double 8, so put on decimal, reduce 5 to 0, 8, possible number, suppose 6, 6 6 are 36, remaining 3, 6 8s are 48, 5 no, not possible, so introduce 5, 5 8s are 25, remaining 2, 5 8s are 40, 42, 4 to 5, so 5, 4.5. So now this one is 4.5, so 2 into 4.5. So still it may be possible to continue, not because 2 into 4.5 you can write the whole number, no. So continue, that is you can find another one number. So remaining 75. So you can double 45 as 90, double 0. So 90. What number possibility to introduce here? 8 8s are 64, 4, remaining 6, 70 to 78. Seven you can reduce. 1 0 no enough. Seven 7 6. It's also not possible. So 6 possible. So 6. Introduce 6. So here just you can reduce 5 1. This is equal to 2, remaining 0, 4 to 2 8s are 2 4s are 8, and 9.02. So you can add the area of the whole quadrilateral equal to area equal to first one 6 plus 9.02, so 15.02 approximately. Previous also approximate value, this is also approximate value. Next, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with the color paper, so to your book as shown in the figure. find the total area of the paper given. I'm going to write the first triangle. Actually, this is the triangle format given. This is 5 centimeter given. The base you can compare with your another base of 1 centimeter given. So this is also fine. So area of a whole triangle, area of the whole picture equal to triangle 1 plus 2 plus 3, area of 1 plus the standard region 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. This is the format. So area 1. So it's your triangle with 3 sides. So I can find this area by using Heron's formula. So area 1. For that S I need to find. S equal to A equal to 5, B equal to 5, C equal to 1. So S equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So 10, 11 by 2. For that area equal to root of S 11 by 2 into S minus A is 5 into 11 by 2 minus 5 into 11 by 2 minus 1. Square root of 11 by 2 into, so here 1 by 2 because 11 minus 2 5s are 10, 10 by 2 LCM. Here 11 minus 10 by 2 same number no, into 11 minus 2 by 2. So 11 by 2 into, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 9 by 2. Now you have numerator and the denominator. You can split your 9 into 3 into 3. For your numerator 11 not possible, but here 3. Denominator this 2 there I can write 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 no. So what first I can write first 1 by 2. Next from this 1 by 2 I can write another 1 by 2. That is divided by 2. So remaining root of 11, that's all. So here 3 by 4 into root 11. Now I need to find root 11 value. Root 11, 3 3s are 9, remaining 2. So I can put a decimal because of 6 here. So 6. Now introduce 20. Here any number introduce not possible. Remaining 200 I can introduce. So here also introduce through 0, 6, 2 not possible because 3 3s are 9, 18, 189 possible. So here 3, 3.3. So first thing 3.3, right, as it is, approximate value. Okay. Second, third decimal also we can find, at least find one decimal value. Now area of a second. Second one actually given, it's a rectangle format. Here 1 centimeter and this one 6.5 centimeter. So rectangle area L into B. So area equals 6.5 into 1. So 6.5. So 6.5 second. Similarly, area of third region. It's look like a trapezium. It's look like a trapezium. For that, introduce one right angle, sorry, 90-degree line. We are given this is 1 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. Now its sides also 1 centimeter given. This is also 1 centimeter given. 2 function we can find to find this thing. You can tell it's directly divided 1. So here totally this is in between this to 1 centimeter, remaining split out into 2 parts equally. So for that I can divide this 1 by 2, 1 as 2, 0.5. So this is also 0.5, this is also 0.5. If 0.5, this is 0.5, this is 1, I can find this value by using a right angle triangle. So for that this value equal to root of hypotenuse squared equal to 1 squared equal to this 0.5 squared plus this height squared. This is the height because this is the 90 degree, no? So like that given in our picture on h squared equal to 1 squared minus 0.5 squared. So 1 squared 1 minus 0.5 na 0.25. 0.5 into 0.5, 25. So 0.75. H squared equal to 0.75. The H is equal to, we need to find the square root of 0.75. So for that 0.75, introduce decimal first itself. Here 75, 8 8 are 64. From the last two number I can take 8 8 are 64. So remaining 11 I can reduce that to 0. So it's 16, double to know 16. Here 11, so introduce some 5. 8, still we can introduce number 16, 7, suppose 7 7s are 49, 24. 11. So 1 1 6 9. 1169. This is also possible. But here 1169 is bigger than 7 and reduce, so introduce 6. So 0.86 and so on. Don't think about 0.7, here 0.8. We can take the square, we can square root value. This one, don't compare the 0.7, this is a bigger one, this is a small one. If you are going to take the square of 0.8, what happened? 0.8 into 0.8. 8 8s are 64. 2 decimal, 2.6. Square value is less than 0.8. So don't think that like that. Here it's going on. So approximate value only we are going to find. H value 0.8. Now it's a trapezium, look like a trapezium. So area of trapezium we go to. So 1 by 2 into height into sum of the parallel sides. So 1 plus. So here H value 0.8. So for that think about 1 by 2 into 0.86 into 3. So here 0.43 into 3. So finally 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So decimal 2 decimal no. So I can write 1.29. So this area 1.29. So think about this trapezium. This is only the problem. In that trapezium, this is where 90 degree split out into 0.5, 0.5, total at 2 centimeter. Directly perpendicular line is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. So now we need to find this triangle and square and triangle. Like that we can find your answer. Another way, it's look like a trapezium. Trapezium formula 1 by 2 into height into sum of the parallel sides. So 1 plus 2 we can find Using this formula, your answer. Another way, I tell you, area of the triangle plus area of this so square plus area of this triangle, or 2 times of this area of triangle plus, after finding a height, the right angle triangle, so 1 by 2 base into height plus 1 by 2 base into height plus square area. So like that we can find this area. So third one also we have answer. Now come to fourth one and fifth one. So area of fourth and fifth are equal. It's look like compared to fifth one, the area is given. It's like a right angle triangle. For that, this one 6 centimeter. This is 1.5 centimeter. So now the area of the triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2 into area equal to base 6 into height 1.5. So 3. So 4.5 centimeters. So area 4.5. Similarly, another one area of fifth one also same. So that is area equal to 4.5 centimeter. Same. So this is also 4.5. So the total area equal to 3.3 plus 6.5 plus 1.29 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. So this value 9, 3.3 is 6.9, 3.3, 6.5, 1.29, approximately this is 9. So 9, 3, 7, 0, remaining 1, 9, 10, 11, 20, 20.09 here. So finally, approximately this is 20.09, but book approximately. Book answer given like that. So first one answer 2.48. Sorry, given 3.3 is the root 11 value. It's root 11 value. First thing is 2.49. That is 3 by 2 into 3.3. So 2.48. Sorry, this one 2.4. 2.48. So 2.48, 6.5, 1.299. So 7, 9, 9 to 4 plus 5, 9, 11, remaining 1, 3, 9, 10, 19. 19.17. So 19.17 approximately. So this is the answer. Next problem. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. Area of triangle equal to area of the parallelogram. Suppose this is a triangle. That the triangle 26, 28, 30 millimeter given, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28. Suppose this is your parallelogram. It's a base. Now both are area equal. Now just to find the area of a triangle. If you have area of triangle, now this is your area of the parallelogram. Now the area of the parallelogram is base into height. base 28, height we need to find, but the total area given by using the area of triangle. So if we have area of the triangle, we can find the height value. The question is find the height value. So for that, here consider area of triangle. So A equal to consider 26, B equal to 28, and C equal to 30. Now S equal to 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. So addition 14, remaining one 4, 4, 4, 8. So 30, 28, 58, 64, 84. So 42. Now area equal to square root of S into 42 minus 26 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 30. So 42 into 42 minus 26, 14, 16. Here 42 minus 28, 14. Here 12. Now 16 is a perfect square number. We can 4 square. So 4 we can write outside. Remaining a lot we can split by using your prime factorization. For that 42 to 21. Remaining 3 is 7. 2, 3, 7. 14, 2 7s are 14. 12, 2 2s are 4 into 3. Now for this 2 I can write on 2. So 4 into 2. For this 2 I can write another 2. For this 3 I can write 3. For this 7 I can write 7. Now 4 4s are 16 into 3 7s are 21. 21 16s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 21 6 3 3 3 6. So now the area of the first triangle is given 3 3 6. What to turn to your answer? It's 3 3 6. Now we need to find the area of the parallelogram. So for that base value given as 28. So area of the parallelogram equal to base into height. But this one equal to given area of triangle 3 3 6. So base is, it's a base 28 like that given 3 3 6. So h equal to 3 3 6 divided by 28. So for that we can cancel by 2. So 14, 1, remaining 1, 6, remaining 1, 8. You can reduce another by 2, 7, 84. 7 table you can reduce 12. So h equal to 12, everything centimeter, so centimeter is the answer. Similarly, next column, a rhombus. A rhombus shaped field has a green grass for 18 houses of grass with each side of a rhombus. Suppose this is the rhombus. 30, 30, 30, 30. Longer diagonal is 48 meters. Longer diagonal 48 meters. how much area of a grass field will each cow be getting? So here totally 18 cows are grazing. So if you have the total area, so area of, that is the final question is, how much area of the grass field will each cow getting? Grass field, each cow getting equal to area of rhombus divided by 18. This is the formula. Now how to find this area? So consider this first one, this was second one. If you have a first one answer, automatically second one are equal. Now we can double it. So this one we can find by using our Heron's formula. So area of, suppose A, B, C, D, and give the name. Area of rhombus equal to area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. So for that area 1, A equal to 30, B equal to 30, and C equal to 48. So for that S equal to 30 plus 48 divided by 2, 60, 48, 108 divided by 2, that is 52. S equal to 52. Now area of this field equal to square root of 52 into 52 minus 30, 52 minus 30 into 52 minus 48. So square root of 52 into 52 minus 30, 22. 52 minus 30, 22. 52 minus 4, just 4. Here 22, don't split the term by using prime factorization, because 22 to 2 numbers are there. No, from this 2 number I can write 1. 4, it's a perfect square number, I can write 2. Remaining root 52 only. Now just split your 52 into 2 parts. Into by using square root of 52 as 52, 2, just 26, once again 2, 30. So 2 to 30. So 44 into root of 2 into 2 into 30. So 4, I can write 2 outside, so 88 root 30. So 88 root 13 is the area of this one. Now the total area is nothing but double. So area of rhombus equal to it's given, something is mistake, we can find in different manner. Wait. So area equal to S value 60 plus 48, 108. So 108 divided by 2 is nothing but 54. Sorry. So 54 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 48. So 54 into 24, 24, here 6. Here 24 is a doubled, so I can write 24. 54, just using the prime factorization, I can write 2, 27. Area equal to 54 into 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30 this thing. So already you know that 54 into 54 minus 30 is 24. Here also 24, here 6. 24 we can write outside, so 24 into root of 54 into 6. So 54 prime factorization 2, so 27, remaining out 3 into 3 into 3. So 24 into root of 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 3s are 6. So for that 24 into, for this 2 I can write 1 2, for this pair I can write 1 3, for this pair I can write another 3. So 24 into 2 48, 48 into 9, so 432. So now the area of the rhombus is equal to double to know area of triangle plus area of the triangle. So 432 plus 432 864. Now the area of 18 curves the grace area equal to 864 meters square. Now area of one curve getting the grace, that is getting area grace field will each field getting each curve getting equal to 864 divided by 18. So cancel this, we can get 48. 48 meters square is the final answer. Thank you.